Hello foodies! Welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make juicy horse meat tikka roll. We'll start with preparing horse tikka. Take 500 grams of horse meat and cut it into 1 cm thick flat steak pieces. After cutting, reverse the knife and beat the meat. This helps to break the fibers and make a meat softer. You can use meat hammer as well. And also you can replace horse meat with goat or lamb meat. Now to the meat, add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Apply well to the meat pieces. Cover and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, coriander seeds powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds powder 1 teaspoon. Spread all the spices evenly to the meat pieces. At last, add 100 ml of curd and half lemon juice and apply it. Curd tenderizes and makes the meat juicier. Now cover with stretch film and refrigerate for about 4 hours as minimum. After 4 hours, take out the meat. Heat up the pan, add some butter or oil, place the meat pieces and cook on medium flame till the meat is cooked well. Add oil or butter in between as per the requirement. Cook on a low flame. If bottom sticks and turns to dark color, scrape it and remove. When meat cooks enough, take out and cut into small cubes and keep them in a plate. After chopping the meat, in a small bowl take equal quantities of tomato sauce and mayonnaise. Mix well. Here I'm using homemade tomato sauce and mayonnaise. For the recipes, please check the link in description. Now take Rumali roti and cut into half. For Rumali roti recipe, please check the link in description. Now on the top, place some meat cubes. On top of the meat, add some onion, cucumber pieces, olives. At last, drop mayonnaise ketchup mixture. Fold and roll it. That's it. Our horse meat tikka roll is ready. For extra taste and beautiful look, you can toast it on a grill pan.